Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Holochain. What's the price change goes and Holochain, what's the high price of Holochain, and what is the current condition of Holochain and cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you with a live proof. So friends, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see now on the screen friends, that is a live price prediction of the Holochain of the last 1 hour friends. Absolutely, if we look the chart analyzes the price chart, so absolutely good change occur in the Holochain at this time. As you can see here, the high jump, the high explosion starts now in the Holochain at this time. That is the last 1 hour live price predictions. The change occur in the Holochain and the last 1 hour is positive 0.96%, and the high price of Holochain as about $0.020846 is the high price of Holochain in the last 1 hour. So friends, if we look the Holochain current price in the market, so the current price is now $0.02084 is the high price, the current price of Holochain in this time in the markets. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions, what the change goes and the last 1 day. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price predictions of the Holochain. Oh my goodness, as you can see here, after falling the previous days they falls down. As you can see here, the chart tells us that the previous days they falls down. As you can see here, the last 1 hour they start explosion, they start jumping. The explosion of the Holochain starts now. So friends, as you can see here, the average change occur in the last 1 day as negative 9.09% change occur in the Holochain in the last 1 day, and the high price is about $0.022935 is the high price of Holochain and the last 1 day friends. That is the last 1 day price prediction. So friends, according to the price prediction, it's time to decide that it's the best time to buy, sell or hold Holochain. If you are a holder of Holochain, so my suggestion for you, as you know, at this time, as I showed you the last 1 hour price prediction, they are moving upward. So that is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold your Holochain coin, because the time of the explosion are coming soon. Holochain big explosion are coming soon, so please wait for it and please hold your Holochain coin with the last of this month. I am also a holder of Holochain. That is why I'm share you my plan with you that I'm going to sell my Holochain in the last of this month, 27th April. What's your opinion about Holochain? Please share in the comment box and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.